Okay, we are now about to start Game 5 of 6 ng ating Delta Cup. We're coming to you live dito po sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Ako po yung lingkod, Ryan Paro po lamang. And let's review sa mga hindi nakapanood ng first 4 games, what are the results. First game, San Fernando winning over Candaba 100-72. Apalit winning over San Simon 75-54. Third game, Angeles beating Porac 108-80. And previously, on that last game, Mexico subduing Santa Rita 80-76. Our game at hand, it's going to be Guagua and Floridablanca. Interesting note, majority of the players of Guagua have covered that to other leagues at sila po, karamihan sa kanila ay nag-enroll sa isang school na tinatawag na Sam's Academy of Pampanga. That school is between the boundary of Guagua and Lubao. And the coaching staff that are in this process is Coach Elmer Gao, assisted by Erwin Luis Eris. Majority of them are the sponsors of Louis Kapampangan. One player to watch is this guy, Marcus Magtoto. I'm sorry, Casey Gopez rather. Casey Gopez, this player can really score at will and points and rebounds. And of course, for Gopez, ang nakikita ko dyan sa batang yan when I cover this in other leagues, this guy can leap, this guy can score, and also play tough defense when they need it. Siya yung nagtatrap kapag nagpe-pressure ang ball carrier ng team ng Guagua. For Floridablanca, they are on a downhill losing streak. Gusto nila makapanalo. Their last playing day was December. So kung mapapansin nyo yung mga games ngayon, na marami sa mga teams ngayon ay galing sa mahabang bakasyon. The strength and conditioning for Floridablanca will be a factor. So, kaabang-abang tong Game 5, Floridablanca versus Guagua. Stay with us. Okay, we're moments away to start this ball game at simulan natin ang starters. First for Floridablanca, we have the Serrano brothers on the point guard and the shooting guard. Center Salvador, forwards Manansalan Gregorio. Para naman sa Guagua, we have Jimenez, Apostol, we have Manyalak, we have Calma, and Bogarin. So, here it comes. First quarter is ready. And we have Apostol with a throwing first blood para sa Guagua. And Floridablanca wearing in green. And Guagua wearing in white. Ito si Salvador. Medyo yung jersey nila, no? Pagka masyadong puti green, di masyadong makita, no? Mako-color black ka. Oh, pumasok ang tira. Medyo maingay ang crowd dito sa Floridablanca dahil kapitbahay lang to. Basket by Gregorio. To also count. 9:23 remaining the first quarter. Bogarin. Very familiar faces for me for these players. Apostol almost stepping on the line. He throws the ball away. And here's Salvador with a bounce pass. Back to Salvador. Lays it up and in. 4-0 Floridablanca. Okay, it's Bugarin. Bring it downtown. Apostol on the right wing. Gopez now check. That's Casey Gopez. And there is going to be a foul. Early substitution. Wow. Medyo wala sa formation to si Casey Gopez. Nawawala siya sa mga patterns ng coach. Upo muna si Casey Gopez, our player profile. He will come back later. Replaced by Jimenez. A minute and 15 seconds gone by sa ating first quarter. Here's Jimenez. Sizing up his opponent. 4 seconds to shoot. They need to put it up. Calma. Is he aware? No. He tore it away. For the 6-point production of Floridablanca. Guagua still 0-0. 6-2. Medyo na golpe. Rigulat doon ang Guagua. Apostol. Here's Malyari. Malyari looking on. Another bad pass. A flat start for Guagua. Upo muna si Calma. Oh, this is a familiar player for me. Number 23 player. Mamaya makita ko. That's a steal by Apostol. Apostol consummates. Plus a foul. Manyalak. Just check in. Three-point play opportunity for Guagua. Offensive rebound, Malyari blocked. And Floridablanca has it. Oh, it's going to be Bugarin foul. Bugarin was a little upset. Referees of this ball game, Noel Menchero, Willie Hibe, and Martinez Calambre. So these referees will be on games 1, 3, and 5. It's already game 5 of 6. Penultimate game, penultimate broadcast. Malyari rejected. Here's Gregorio on the run. Hang time more block. Oh. It's going to be 2 free throws. Take a look at this replay. Last bit of action in slow-mo. It's a hack. Hack in the air. First free throw. It's not there. 4-6. One more free throw for him. Serrano misses. 6-4 is our count. So may mga viewers na tayo dito. Malyari. Almost a steal by Gregorio. The shot clock is at 9 seconds. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Familiar ang coaching staff kanina. Nabanggit ko ang coach na si Elmer Gao. Elmer Luis Eris. The coach Guagua, also sponsored by Luit Kapampangan. And also Sam's Academy. Some of the players are playing from Sam's Academy of Pampanga. Bugarin. Apostol. 2 seconds to shoot. They need to put it up. It is a shot clock violation for Guagua. And Besoro failed to deliver. Yung isang player ng kanina na naglalo, si Rino. That's Alex Rino. Also part of Sam's Academy of Pampanga. I'm gonna check some of the lineups here. So, hindi ko pa nakikita dyan si Fort Tolentino. Maybe he will play for another province as we see a foul against Bugarin. Or is it an out-of-bounds play? Out-of-bounds play, it will go back to Guagua. Oh, that's the last bit of action. Arian Lacson, Ira Villanueva, Kay Sunyam. Thank you so much for watching. Three-point shot. Nope. Rebound, Layog. 6:39 remaining in the first. 3-point shot on the corner, Serrano, wala. Ball goes out of bounds. Babalik ang bola sa Guagua. And Casey Gopez back in the ball game. Casey Gopez, he's also playing for Sam's Academy of Pampanga. He's instrumental to that big win against Aranja Rhinos on the junior tournament in Manila. So, makikita pa kami sa Miyerkules. Itong si Casey Gopez. 3-point shot. Nope. Manyala couldn't clear the board. Instead, Gregorio has it for Floridablanca. Both teams had 2 team fouls. The drop pass inside intercepted by Manyalak. At tumatakbo ang Guagua. Bugarin from the base will not force the issue. Slow down tempo ngayon ng Guagua. Suddenly, he threw it up and in. Oh, that's a difficult shot. Diba pwede niya ipasa niya tapos bigla niya tinira, no? On the last second. Turnover there for Floridablanca. 5:39 remaining. Look at Bugarin. Back-to-back baskets. Halfway point in the first quarter. 8-6 the third tally. Gregorio. Here's Serrano. The drop. Layug scores via reverse. 5:11 remaining in the first. Manyalak. Strip away by Serrano. Serrano looking left, looking right. Finds himself open. No. Put back. No soak. Third effort. Strip. Fourth serving. It goes out. Fifth effort here for Floridablanca. That's 4 offensive rebounds. 3-point shot for Serrano. No. Put back inside the paint. That's 5 offensive rebounds for Floridablanca. Four and a half remaining in this first quarter. Floridablanca 10, Guagua 8. I'm also live on Facebook, on my Facebook page, and also 2 Facebook pages, PIO, Pampanga Information Office, and Sinag Liga Asia. Let's watch this smothering block by Layug. Great defense by Floridablanca. Take a look at this in instant replay. Akala mo lusot na. Huli ka. Bugarin back to live action. Misses the 3-point shot. And June Mendoza, Laxa Renato, Sean Kenneth Franco. Thank you so much for watching. 4:13 remaining in the first. Layug. For the rest of Floridablanca, they're now up by 2, 10-8. There's a pick by Layug. Pick utilizes 3-point bomb, no explosion, rebound controlled. Jimenez couldn't get it instead. Floridablanca player has it. Here's the 3-ball, no. Bugarin keeps it alive for Guagua. Here's the bounce pass. Gopez goes all the way. He throws it up too much. He throws it up too much. It hit the shot clock. Let's see that again. Yan ang tinatawag na shocking as smooth. Grabe. Back to live action. It's going to be a charging foul on Layog. Illegal pick. Laxa Renato, Sean Kenneth Franco, Marilyn Reyes, and June Mendoza. Hello. Thank you for watching. 3:40 remaining in the first. Referee. Natatawa si referee Jude Escalambel sa huling tira na yun. Tingnan natin kung makakabawi dito ang Guagua on that miscue. Is that Escobedo? That's familiar to me. But Layog steals it and they complete that fast break. So, on the disgust of the head coach of Guagua, Guagua playing flat. Floridablanca 12-8 with 3:15 in the first. We have a timeout. Jackie Polo, Marilyn Season Reyes, Kayson Jam, and Aliram Lamor. Thank you so much for watching sa ating Facebook page. Just keep on posting messages. Balik tayo sa laro lives dito sa BREN Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. 12 to 8 ang ating tali. Lamang po Florida Blanca ng 4. That's Besoro. Besoro is in the game para sa Guagua. Here's Besoro. Nice floater. One-handed. 12-10 is the count. Florida Blanca up by 2. Here comes Florida Blanca. The ruthless guy on the floor with a brilliant fast break finish. That's Salvador. The lead is 4 for Florida Blanca. 14-10, 2:42 remaining. Here's the baseline drive. If she do, that's too much. It's a wide-up offensive foul on Calma. And Valiao checks in for the white shirts as we see this charging foul. Spotted by the red Calma. Hinawi, no? Hinawi. First appearance for Valiao. Pressure defense now being put up by the white shirts. Serrano breaking the press. Valiao steals it. Valiao completes the fast break finish. Sabi di Aliram Nanor, shoutout kay Mariela Roman, and we have a whistle. It's a push. Okay, Florida Blanca will inbound. Oh, that's a smart play. Lopez with a smart move there. Hop, step, and jump. Yes, sir. Great play, great move. Two minutes remaining in the first. We're about a foul away from the play. It's a foul on Lopez. First personal on Lopez. Both teams now on the brink of penalty situation. Both have 14 fouls. 2 minutes remaining in the first quarter. (13 to shoot. Besoro from the base. Moves out. 7 to shoot. Calma uncorks from downtown. Short. It's going to be a loose ball foul on Layog. That will mean Angeles will shoot 2 free throws from the 4.5-meter line. Uy, si Direk. Hello, Direk Nori. Uy. Oh, one of the direct. He's the CEO of Nudge Productions. We'll see you, Direk, tomorrow. Tomorrow, Tuesday and Wednesday. Magandang hapon, Direk Nori. Uy. Brilliant man. And my fellow broadcaster. And a brilliant boss. That's what I can say. 16-13, Florida Blanca. 19 on the shot clock. A minute and 35 in the game, and another high taken away by Guagua. Here it comes. Besoro with a anti-move. Plus a foul to boot. And that hit our cameraman Alex. Sabi niya, aray. Aray ko po. Do we have a timeout? Yes, we have a timeout, but let's watch this last bit of action in slow-mo while we have a timeout with a 3-point play opportunity. Enjoy. Okay, bonus beat forthcoming for Guagua again. We're coming to you live from the BREN Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is Delta Cup 2023-2024 season, powered by Sina Liga Asia. My name is Ryan Paro. coming to you game 5 of 6. As Besoro completes a 3-point play. And we are tied at 16 for the very first time. First deadlock. Baseline drive. Wow! It's going to be a bruising encounter. As Valiao gives up his first personal foul, that will be free throws also because both teams already in penalty situation. So this team of Guagua, some of them, not most of them, some of these players are playing for Sounds Academy of Pampanga. They will play on Wednesday for the finals. And we will see you at the PUP gym. I will be the announcer on that day. Salvador free throw. Rims out. 17-16. Sabi ni Ira Villanueva, happy birthday, John Marvin Salvador. Jackie Paula says, way to go, Guagua. 10 to shoot. Here's Valiao. Misses the layup. You see the green look on his face when he missed that shot. And sa foul on Calma. Blocking foul. And Calma will be meted with his third personal foul. So he will be resting for a long while. Malari comes back. So Orina is already here. And some of the players replace and check in back. As we have Salvador connects to the first free throw. Sabi ni Alexander Sapno, let's go Guagua. That's Harvey Salvador. Thank you so much. Janet Agad. Harvey making the second free throw. A minute remaining. 3-point Florida lead. Gopez, Casey Gopez has it. Here's Casey. Casey brings up the letter. Gives it out to Besoro. Spots. Short. Valiao. Valiant effort, but in vain on that particular stick back. Ball goes out of bounds. It will go back to Floridablanca. And Valiao will check out. Big lineup now for Guagua. Oli Bugarin is the guard formation. Here's Dinah. Will bring up the letter. Signaling play number 2 for Floridablanca with 15 to shoot. He goes left. Drives hard. That's too strong. Battle for the rebound. Won by Floridablanca. Lopez on the outside. He drives. Lopez misses. Off the rebound. Didn't hit iron and they throw it away. Half a second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. And Guagua will try to write the last sentence of the first chapter. And we have a foul. Alem Lamor says, pa-shoutout kay Alain Alva. Yes, Alexander Sapnu, shout out. The second foul on number 20 Lopez, if I'm not mistaken, but there's going to be 2 free throws for the defended party. That's Besoro. 17-19, Floridablanca. So Janice Magaspak. I don't know if he's related for Juanito Magaspak. He's rooting for Harvey Salvador. We also have Kenneth Santos watching in Marilyn Reyes. And Lopez will check on the bench. And there's a referee's whistle. Let's wait what will be the infraction. It's a technical foul. To whom? Let's wait for the announcement of our venue announcer, Marilyn. So Lopez will score for a technical foul on sportsmanlike behavior. So that means Bugatti will be a designated T-hitter at this point. Again, batiin natin coaching staff ng Guagua. Coach Elmer Gao, Erwin Luis Eris, and of course the sponsor of this Guagua team, Louis Kapampangan. Bugatti makes the free throw. Just a 1-point lead, 18-19. 8 seconds remaining. So Floridablanca will try to write the last sentence of the first chapter. Salvador's trap, quadruple trap. It's going to be a foul. 2 players down the deck. It's like a bowling pin. You'll see like a bowling pin falls here. Pero buti nila may spare, no? Foul si Bugarin. And that's only the first personal on Bugarin. 2 feet 12 for offended party. Kenneth Domingo Lamatos. Go Christian Avenga. Christian Malansala, RJ Nivera, go Idol. So there's one of the comments here. Salvador misses the first free throw. Rodette Ocampo Marata, also supporting Florida Blanca. 5 seconds remaining. Okay, Guagua for the last time. Let's see. 1 second to go. They failed to capitalize. And the first quarter, Guagua 18 and Florida Blanca 20. And let's watch some of the highlights of the first quarter. Take a look at this. The drive and draw play and the semi-hook. And Salvador running amok to the fast break. He finishes it in a flurry. And for Florida Blanca, they steal it. And valiant effort by Valino. That's our first quarter score on your screens. We'll be right back. Some greetings from Facebook. Welcome back. We have Jerry Velasco says go for the Blanca, and also Stephanie Manina. Second quarter is about to start, and my name is Ryan Palo. Come to you live from the BREN Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. This is Delta Cup, powered by Sinag Liga Asia. Let's review the lineups for both squads. Florida Blanca. We have Chase Timog. Is that included in the lineup? That's Timog, Chase Timog. And a steal by Guagua. Alley-oop play did not materialize. Here's Jimenez. The other lineups here for Florida Blanca, we have Gregorio, the 2 Gregorios, when we have a traveling. And we have the 2 Gregorios, the 2 Salvadors, and Chase Timog. For Guagua, we'll have Malyari or Valino, Bugarin. And Bugarin's down on the floor. Gregorio misses the shot. They still get the ball back. 3-point shot, short, rebound. Jimenez pitched it. Bugarin is up ahead. Bugarin spots and will not score. There's a foul. The other one for Florida Blanca is Alquero. So we also have Malyari, Jimenez that completes the 5 for Guagua, and also Apostol. Apostol will inbound. Bugarin. Picked by Jimenez. Spin, turn. Bugarin misses. Alquero backs down the rebound for Florida Blanca. And Salvador dances his way. Bugarin lost his step, lost his man. But apparently Florida Blanca did not execute the play perfectly. That we'll see oohs and ahs from the crowd as you hear them show earlier. The water, yes. Jimenez with the basket. A slip. Bugarin will try to retaliate it. Pass is a little bit wayward. The pass to Malyari. Malyari against... Is that Tayag? Let me check. So it's a foul on number 24. But is that Tayag? Yes, Tayag. Second team foul ready for Florida Blanca. The ball game is tied at 20. Jimenez receives a pass now to Bugarin. Two-guard formation. Valyar's open. Corner three. Not close. Malyari. Tapped by Alquero. Ruru Bonifacio. Hi, happy watching. Carl Andre Senzon. Alquero checks in now for Florida Blanca. Jimenez. Almost a travel, but there's a foul. So that's a non-shooting foul. Just inbound for Guagua. And that's a charge. It will be it against Jimenez if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it will be Jimenez foul. Second personal on Jimenez. Take a look at this in slow-mo. It's not Jimenez. It's Bugarin who will be called for the foul. So foul away from the play. Apostol almost had a steal, but his toe stepped out of bounds. $20 all. Here's Tayag. 90 to shoot. Gregorio. Bugarin had a piece of it. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Starter step by Salvador. Turn. It's short. Jimenez. When the center dribbles, there's a possibility that the ball can take away from you. And he almost had it almost done. So Guagua retains possession. We have a foul from Florida Blanca. Oh, is there a foul? It's a foul on Gregorio. His first personal. Ruru Bonifacio, happy watching. Regala also, go Florida. And another offensive foul on Bugarin. Thank you so much for the feedback. Burdette Ocampo Marata says, nice voice daw po yung announcer. Sabi ng katabi ko na noon, go Florida Blanca. Salamat po ng marami. Kasi gusto ko po i-broadcast ng malinaw at naintindihan. Lalong-lalo yung mga Kapampangan, yung iba dyan, di marunong mag-Tagalog, kaya nag-i-English po ako para sa kanila, no? 7 minutes and 35. We are tied at 20 and we have a foul away from the play. And it's that a charging foul? It is an offensive foul. Or was it not? Okay, the referee Willie Hibe pointed out it is a backcourt violation. So, it is a 14-second shot clock. Valino and the rest of Guagua and Florida Blanca, this is the second deadlock, 20 apiece. Jimenez, 5 to shoot. Valino momentarily open, only 2 on the shot clock. He needs to put it up. Top defense being put up. Manyalak goes reverse. And as the shot clock expires, simultaneously referee signal a foul. Take a look at this. Just exactly as the shot clock expires, there is a foul. It's a foul on Alquero. 3-man substitution para sa Florida Blanca. At ngayon ay titira ng 2 free throws ang Guagua. That's Manyalak. 21 points for Guagua. 20 points Florida Blanca. Sabi ni John Jong Lorenzo Basilio, nalong panyaban na. Sabi ni Zia Roque, shoutout sa asawa ko, Annabel Roque. Sabi ni Marin Shoso, shoutout po, Soy Bibitug. Nakikinig, salamat. Serrano and the rest of Florida Blanca going for the scoring, but it's gonna be a traveling. Giancarlo Jala says, shoutout po kay Shaquille McDouglas Orina. Siya pala yun, number 13, Shaq Orina. Okay, the Number 13 player, Florida Blanca. All right, thank you. Baseline drive, Jimenez. Rebound. It's not good. Wait a minute. Sandali lang, nagkaroon lang tayo ng problema sa ating buzzer. Okay, meron tayong timeout. Ang timeout ang tatawagin ay Florida Blanca. The score is 22-20 Guagua. We shall return. Alright, back to live action. Boy, greetings for you. Sabi ni Gino Sadsar, Glow Florida Blanca. Pa-shoutout po si June Gardo Nanalansan. Pa-shoutout si Patrick Belio de la Cruz. Yan. So, yan ang mga messages. And thank you po sa 400 viewers na nanonood ngayon dito sa ating live stream sa Pampanga Information Office. At kayo dito sa Sinagliga Asia. 22-20. It's a 2-point lead for Guagua. Florida Blanca wants to tie this up. Serrano wasted no time, passing to Gregorio with an easy bucket. Team foul picture shows only one team foul for Guagua, and Florida Blanca already in penalty situation. Valino may tangan ng bola. Jimenez po poste. There's a triple team on him. Nice dive, nice steal, and here's the green shirts on the run. The layup is great. No hesitation for that guy. Number 5 player ng Florida Blanca. Almost a turnover. Casey Gomez back in harness. He's the skipper of this team. Casey for 3. Banks it out. Rebound Gregorio. Back dribble here. Gregorio spots. He gets it to go. That's a good timeout for Florida Blanca. 4 unanswered points. We're tied at 24. Richard Canlaces, Mamao, si Aldrin Serrano. So the Serrano guy is Aldrin Serrano. Thank you. And Serrano Gregorio almost had a steal. And that's going to be a foul on Apostol. Well, Florida Blanca wants to have an unsportsmanlike foul, so the referees will be direct. Can we review the last bit of action in slow-mo? Alright, here's the play from the front court. Oh, it hit in the head. It hit in the head. It's number 7 Apostol. Number 7. It is an unsportsmanlike foul after the review. It is unsportsmanlike foul on number 7 Apostol. That's category 1. And Salvador, or Gregorio rather, will take 2 free throws. And sabi ni Richard Canlas, Mamao, Aldrin Serrano. Sabi ni Lady Jan Romero Santos, shoutout coach ng Florida Blanca, Christopher Kasupanan. Actually, itong Kasupanan Kwan, I have a friend named Rachel Kasupanan, also from Pampanga. I think 5 years ago, she married a handsome guy named Julian Matthew Mendoza. Talagang makapampangan ng Kasupanan eh. 10 on the shot clock. Here's the drive. Inside, hang time, no. He forced that shot, and Jimenez was fouled from the backcourt. And Floridablanca in penalties, going to be free throws for the offended party. So 2 free throws will be awarded for Jimenez. A very physical encounter. Napaka-physical lang laro ngayon, ha? Take a look at this in slow-mo. That's last bit of action. Yun, tinulak. It's a foul on Layug. Kitang-kita sa ating instant replay. Jimenez for the second free throw. He didn't get it. It's going to be a double lane violation that will be result to the jump ball, and the ball possession will retain for Guagua. Up. Wait. Jimenez and Layug has some altercations with each other. Or is that Layug? It's Malyari. Things a little bit too physical for these two people. They really want to win. You can see that. But sometimes in sports, especially if you can see the Bible, you need to practice self-control. Take a look at this kiss-kissan moment. Bang. Back to live action. Valino escaped for a torrid defensive scheme by Floridablanca. 6 on the shot clock. Here's Manyalak. Maneuvers to his right. Hanma couldn't get it, and there's going to be a foul on Manyalak. Okay, Lee Jardi Singjan watching from Taiwan. He's rooting for Guagua. Princess Mia Perez, shout out po kay Mariel Esquera. 5:07 remaining this third. Gregorio with a pass inside. Live could have been an open shot. Instead, a difficult one that is converted for Floridablanca. Is that Manansala? Yes, Manansala scoring the basket there for Floridablanca. And he has a 3-point play opportunity. Christian Jack Aguilar. Shout out po kay Jerome Regala muli. 3-point play. No. Let's see that again in slow-mo on that last 3-point play opportunity. Nicely done. Back to live action. Here's Valyao. Valyao to Bugarin. And Floridablanca chanting defense. Bugarin short of his 3-point try. Higher in the rebound is Manansala. Layog pass. Skip pass. Gregorio scores the basket. 9-point lead for Floridablanca. Guagua remains flat in this ball game. Floridablanca is smoking on both ends of the court. Valyao. Bugarin, the runner. It's no good. Rebound control for the Green Shirts. Fast break in the works. Gregorio. That's too fancy. Sabi ni Jerome Dagal, shout out kay Harvey Salvador. It's a jersey number 17 player. Here's Layug. And Layug will score for traveling. 31-22, both teams in penalty situation. And we're going to have a halftime break after this. Valyao. Manyalak, back to Bugarin, now to Manyalak. Almost taken away, but Serrano was called for a foul. They thought it was all ball, but the referee says it is a Serrano foul. Slow-mo replay shows why. Yeah, he rammed it, but it hit the hand. So Manyalak scores the first of 2 free throws, chops down the lead to 8. 31-23. Sabi ni Dexter Santos, shout out po watching from Jeddah, KSA. Ooh, we have some viewers from Saudi Arabia. Yung mga OFWs natin. Nanonood ngayon ng Delta Cup. Salamat po. Mabuhay kayo mga OFWs. 3:50 remaining the second. Serrano. Difficult angle. Hey, Saril Santiago. Former FEU Tamarao. And now a promoter of All Life. So far, it has been effective for me. And my voice, you can see it why right now. Manonood nga si Cyril Santiago, former FEU. Tama lang also KDR Hoopsters. Kumusta kayo lahat? Manyalak gets a stick back off Layug. And the lead is 7, Florida Blanca 33, 26 Guagua. Mamaya manonood sila ng Wish Music Awards sa Araneta Coliseum. That will be after the Delta Cup, 7 o'clock. And Kaysun Dan, he really loves Serrano. What a shot earlier. Arian Lacson. So we have another viewers from Sydney, Australia. Ayan, pinopromote na ni Cyril Santiago. Try this. Only Life, Terra 90. Office is on second floor, Blue Wave Mall, Marikina City. I have tried it 3 times. And it's so far, it is great, effective, non-abrasive. You can try it for yourself. And of course, for more details, contact Cyril Santiago for details. And we have a foul away from the play. There is a foul. And the Guagua coaching staff will challenge. Direct, let's see the replay of that last bit of action. Medyo nagkakagulo tayo dito sa GUIAO Convention Center. Let's watch this. Here's the break. Ayan, you can see. Okay. Hindi tayo pwedeng mag baseline. Diyan talagang ano eh. One more time direct, but this time you slow it down on that kasi gusto na makita ng referee kung saan yung infraction. Let's see. Okay, you slow it down there, slow it down direct. Yan, slow it down. Sige, up. It is a personal foul lang. It is a personal. You downgraded. It is just a personal foul. Good decision by the refs. So, kitang-kita sa ating replay. Yan, Cyril Santiago. Nakakataba naman ng puso. Joke ang tada 2.0. Alam mo, Cyril, ang dami pang bukabularyo ng hindi ko pa naintindihan. Actually, nagtatanong pa ako kay Seb Sarmenta kung sa mga bukabularies eh. It is a common foul. So, kita-kita sa replay natin sa ating monitor na it is a downgraded to foul. No intention to hurt. Especially on the belly button. As Alan Salvador makes the first of 2 free throws. Delta Telan, sabi niya, shout out Paolo Apostol watching from Melbourne, Canada. Oh, look at this. We are worldwide. Marami tayong nanonood na Pilipino ngayon sa Montreal, Canada. Grabe. At sa Melbourne, Australia, tsaka Montreal. Grabe. Delta Cup is now all over the world. 35-26. And take it for the 600 plus viewers watching. 3 minutes exactly in the second quarter. Baseline drive. Here's Manyalak. The jump shot won't work. Battle for the rebound, Layug. And Alan Salvador will bring it up para sa Florida Blanca. It has been a bruising encounter. Florida Blanca stays it with a 9-point edge. Manansala. Traveling. Sabi ni Eliza Guagua, good luck. Okay, pahinga muna tayo sa mainit na aksyon. Meron po tayong timeout. Aljen Montemayor says he's watching from Seoul, South Korea. Gary Viray Santos watching from Las Vegas, Nevada. Levi Regala is watching from Guam. From Las Vegas, South Korea, Guam. Ay, grabe na to. We are everywhere. Also, Eric Mendoza watching from New Zealand. Down under. Summer ngayon dyan. Mainit. 35-26. And of course, Raj Regala watching from UAE, Dubai. Nakapunta na ako dyan 5 years ago, January of 2019 sa Burj Khalifa. Ganda, taas. 2:25 remaining. Three-point shot on its way. And suddenly, the lead is chopped down to 6. Who got it with an instant heat from downtown. Great catch, great home run for Florida Blanca. Sabi ni Randy Guardalo, watching from Spain. Kay Sundam, watching dito lang sa convention. Councilor po pala si si Consi Darwin Manalansan. Darwin Manalansan, councilor dito sa Florida Blanca. Hello, magandang hapon. And we have a foul away from the play. And since both teams in the penalty, so the offended party will shoot 2 free throws. Okay. Free throw is no good for 4 minutes. Okay, of course, kanina na ginawa natin si Cyril Santiago. Of course, you can try Terra 90. The most efficient and safest way to treat our human cells, especially for this player kapag na-injure. Napaka-importante to take a 30-minute trial session at the Blue Wave Mall, second floor in Marikina City. All in life, Philippine Stockings. All in life, get you the life you deserve. Salvador was fouled. 2 more free throws for the offended party. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Jeremy Cristobal says he's watching from Port Macquarie, Australia. Alan Salvador. Okay. Barangay Captain ng sa Pampanga dito, si Captain Edward Mati nanonood. Sabi ni Brian Rufo Bautista. 38-30, a minute and 47 remaining in the second quarter. So alam nyo, yung sa Oli Life this fourth session will be on Thursday. Kita-kita tayo. Casey Gopez. He has been silent. He's been averaging 10 points per game pero nawala ang kanyang scoring. Ibibigay na lang niya ang score sa kanyang kakampen. Why not? Valia with a valiant drive to the basket. He draws a foul and he will take 2 free throws. Sabi ni Ina Villanueva. Sorry, it's not Alan Salvador. It's Harvey. I'm sorry. Harvey Salvador. Siya yung kanina nakashoot ng technical free throws, So yung penalty situation. Free throw is good for Faliao. At sabi ni Edward Matis, shout out kay Idol, nanonood ng Ethan Paras. Second free throw is good. 38-32, a minute and a half remaining. $15 on the shot clock. Here's the sidestep drive, 10 to shoot. They swing it around. Here's Harvey Salvador. Harvey goes right. Harvey drives, left-handed layup. He draws a foul. This guy is agile and quick. You can tell. And so far, katabi ko lang ang ating commissioner, Coach Leo Isaac, supervising the proceedings of Delta Cup, and we're still far from finish. We still have a lot of elimination rounds to go, and this coming January, at the end of January, we're going to be back to back. We'll play straight games here at BREN GUIAO Convention Center. 39-32 is our tally. A minute and 11 to go with the second quarter. So let's see if the White Shirts of Guagua continue to do stride. Valiao, a minute remaining in the first half. And that's a ill-advised play because the recipient didn't expect that pass. Sabi ni Ira Villanueva, nice. 55 takes, 39-32. Harvey Salvador, shifty guy. Want to outsmart Valia. Great pass inside the paint. How he did find that? Look at Salvador says, I see you. 41-32. Time down to 34 takes remaining in the first half. Bugani in its trap, triple team, and that triple team worked perfectly. And here's another fast break in the works. The spin move is almost beautiful. He did it right back. One more time around the block. 43-32, Florida Blanca on the magnum opus momentum shift right here in the first half. We're time down to 11 seconds. Bogarin. There's a pick provided. Goes left. Double team. Bogarin. Tight guarded. Casey Gopez for 3. Rims out. And there's a push. As the buzzer sounds, there's a push. Now the question is that foul in time? We're going to review. Direct, I want the front court or the press box replay of that. Kasi we need to make sure if there's a foul when the referee blew the whistle as the buzzer sounds. Panoorin natin yung last bit of action. Yung last 5 seconds para makita natin. Ayan ang front court. Tingnan natin ang clock. Here's the clock running. 4 seconds, 3 seconds. Here's the 3 by Gopez. Okay, slow down natin direct.
Slow mo, may oras pa. Slow mo na lang, oras ang titingnan natin.
Okay, isa pa direct, isa pa. Pagdating ng 1 second, bagalan mo kasi the referees will need to check kung may oras pa. Okay, 5, 4. Pagdating ng 2 seconds, bagalan mo. Up, slow down. 0.7.
Yung isa pa.
One more. Pagdating ng 2 seconds direct, bagalan mo ha, bagalan mo. Isa pa. One more time. 4, 3, 2. Okay, yan. Bagalan natin siya. That's the way. 1 second. Sige, tuloy, direct, tuloy. Okay, here's the foul. Antayin natin kung kailan gumanon ang referee. 0.6. It's 0.6. 0.6 seconds. 0.6. 0.6 of a second remaining. So, meron pa po tayong 0.6 of a second after the review. The referees had decided that. Kasi tinitignan natin yung gumanon.
Tapos yung foul, yung nasa likod is number...
Sige, isa pa direct. Tingnan natin naman, okay na yung time. Tingnan naman natin kung sino yung na-foul. Isa pa direct, let's review. Yan, pwede mo nang bilisan dyan. Makikita naman natin. Okay na yan. Pwede mo nang fast lane yan. Sige, yan, pwede mo nang bilisan. Ano. Tuloy lang direct, tuloy lang. Kukunin natin yung foul. Oh yeah, si number 34 ang tinawagan ng foul. Ang titira si number 60, that's correct. It is correct. That's number 16 who will hit the 2 free throws. That's absolutely right. He will take 2 free throws. Manuel is the right guy. That's correct, referee. Okay. 43-32. Manuel will take 2 free throws. 0.6 of a second. Yes. Isa pa para kay Manuel. Now, that's it. Finally, half is over. Ang ating official score is 32-44. We will have the halftime highlights. We'll have the top score and everything. We'll be right back for more of the Delta Cup. Halftime count 44-32. Florida up by 12. Let's see our first half highlights for this grueling game. Starting with this shot by the big guy, Manyalak. And this finger roll scored for Serrano. Bugaran with a 3 ball. That's not good, but there's the stick back. Ayun si Manyalak, yung sa kaninang nag-field goal si Jimenez. There's a give and go play. And a basket there by Florida. The spinner roll. And a bucket. Pero hindi pumasok, but there's the stick back by the other player of Florida. Let's see our top scorers for both squads. For Guagua, we had is that Gugarin? I think that's Bugarin. That's letter B. Bugarin with 8. Manyalak with 8. Besopo with 8. And for Florida Blanca, we have Salvador with 14, Gregorio 13, and Manansala with 8. We'll be right back for the second half action of your Delta Cup right after this. Okay, welcome back. We are about to start the second half action. That's Tulong-Tulong Guagua versus ABE ABE King Florida Blanca, 44-32. Again, my name is Ryan Paro, and we're now third quarter is underway. For Florida Blanca, we have Salvador, and a 3-point shot converted. Pass of Florida Blanca. We have the two Gregorios also in play. And we also have the number 16 player, which is, I think that's Shaq. The big guy. Samantala sa Guagua, we have, or Tulong-Tulong Guagua, we have Miranda, Apostol, Bugarin, Valiao, and number 14 player is about to inbound. So, let's double check the slogan of Guagua so that we can advertise it as it is, because the mayor of Guagua is watching all the way from Japan. So we want to advertise it promptly. The municipality of sorts. As Valiao, 30-footer. That's a logo shot from the logo. 47-35. Manuel unable to consummate. That's the fifth man at the floor for Florida Blanca. Here's Harry Salvador. And we have a whistle. We have a foul. Eight minutes and 56 remaining. And we have a blood spotted on Apostol. I think we're going to review that collision. So the medics here of Pampanga PIO needs to check this last bit of action. Let's see that. Oops, let's load that. Ay, ulit natin, ulit. Nasaktan na doon si Apostolic. Can we rewind and let's have it at the camera on the baseline. That last bit of action. Baseline, ayan. Ayan, dahan-dahan lang direct. Ayan, dahan-dahan lang. Here's the drive. Here's the attempt. Here's the rebound. Tingnan natin kung saan tayo nabangga. Boom, boom. It is accidental. Oh, it is accidental. So it's not really intentional. So it's an accidental hit. And while we're doing that, Christian Lansangan, Saman Mimbata, Jen Brent Layo, Maril Esguerra says go Princess Marie Manuel Perez. And Frendel Jacinto, shout out watching from Bana. Third quarter continues. A minute gone by in this bruising encounter between Guagua and Floridablanca. And Bogarin with a heist. Bogarin for 3. No. .8:37 remaining. 12-point lead. Oh, look at that crossover. However, there's a illegal pick by Manuel. So far, the scoring for these three players. So Bogarin already has a 3-point shot. He has 11 points. And here's Jimenez scoring a basket. Manyala had 6. And we have a foul. Salvador 14, Gregorio 13, Manansala with 8. Take a look at this action in slow-mo. Here's the baseline drive. There's the basket. And ooh, so there's a slight nudge in the elbow. That's an extra motion. Alright, the referees will consult. So direct, let's replay yung kanina. Maganda yung angle kasi kitang-kita. Isa pang review natin. Baseline in bayan. So that's after the basket. Okay, direct, slow it down. Here we go, slow it down.
Wala foul lang.
It is a regular foul.
Offensive lang.
It is a personal foul, direct, ref. So it is offensive foul. All right, 37-47. Tulong-tulong tayo Guagua is down by 10 points. 8 minutes remaining. Besopo call for that offensive foul the last instant. Here's the 3-point shot. No. Offensive rebound still for ABE ABE King, Floridablanca. Still, oh, look at that crossover. Missed shot. Alquera couldn't get the rebound. And here's the team, tulong-tulong tayo Guagua with a turnover. 16 on the shot clock with its crossover there by Harry Salvador. Could not convert. Rebound control by the white shirts. Tulong-tulong tayo Guagua. Here's Bogarin. Valiao. Layup is short. The Regents now of ABE ABE King, Floridablanca now. So far, Gregorio has 13 points. And what? Traveling. So we'll see the top scorers for these squads. Slow down tempo na for tulong-tulong tayo Guagua. Shot clock now a problem. 9 seconds. They turn the ball over. And here comes ABE ABE King Floridablanca. It's Dahlia with a basket. Tendon shoot. Low post play. Here's Besopo. And there is an out of bounds play. He stepped out of bounds. So far, Bugarin has 11 points, leading all scorers. But for Floridablanca, it's more of a balanced scoring. It's Salvador and Gregorio wreaking havoc. Both of them have 14 points and 13 respectively. And there is going to be a foul on Bugarin. And Bugarin will be called for a technical for unsportsmanlike behavior. Now that spells doom for Tulong-Tulong tayo Guagua because Bugarin collected 2 fouls at an instant. Medyo delikado ito. Tingnan natin yung last instant ngayon. Ayun. Kitang-kita, it's a nudge. It is a foul of Bugarin. Bugarin, upset on that call. He will be called for a technical for unsportsmanlike behavior. And Bugarin bows out of the game with 5 personal fouls of that instant. Hello to Julian M.J. Payabyab, Stephanie Marinan. Thank you for watching. And Bugarin's out of the game with 5 personal fouls. He finished the game with 11 points. It's 5 fouls for Bugarin, as stated by our venue announcer, Marilyn Tiburcio. Technical free throw is good. And the lead of Floridablanca is 13 now, 50-37. So, the playmaking of Gregorio and Salvador, it's hard to choose who between these two are deserving for best player should ABE ABE King Floridablanca win. And Tulong-Tulong tayo Guagua is now down with a 13-point deficit. Manuel travels. Traveling. Hello to Namra Asodnim. So Tulong-Tulong tayo Guagua now in possession. Valyao will try to recycle the offense and maybe regroup. They are on a 13-point deficit. And a steal once again. Gregorio is everywhere. Gregorio. Oh, sorry. It's Gregorio. The other one's Harvey Salvador. Mix up ako sa mga pangalan eh, no? Alright, si Kalma uupo muna. And likewise, the big guy will sit down. Balik si Manyalak para sa Guagua. Tulong-Tulong tayo Guagua. 37-50. Here's Valyao. Malyari now in the game. Here's Manyalak. Deep drive to the basket. Draws a foul. Will take 2 shots. And Manyalak slightly hurt on that one. He hit in the head. Let's see that again in slow-mo. What happened? Here's the drive. Ooh! It hit in the ear. Hit in the ear. Masakit yun. So, Manyalak is trying to shrug it off that pain. And he will troop to the line for 2 free throws for Tulong-Tulong tayo Guagua, and Manyalak misses. One more free throw for Manyalak. 5 minutes and 36 remaining in the third. Both missed by Manyalak, but Valyao gets it right back. And so the passing play of Tulong-Tulong tayo Guagua, that moniker spells it all with the bucket by Angeles. 50-39. So, shout out to Jmar Escoto Aranda. Casey Gomez now in the ball game. Serrano throws it up, draws a foul. It has been a long third quarter, long second quarter. It's going to be a long ball game here. Last foul is on foul on Manyala. That will be his third personal foul. A shot by Serrano. (50-39). 51-39. 7-11 remaining in the third. For possession now for Tulong-Tulong Tayo Guagua. Casey Gomez, the skipper of this team, still finding its mark. Valyao now to Manyalak on the right wing. 9 to shoot. Manyalak goes right. Double team comes. Off balance. 3-point shot. Air ball. And here's ABE ABE King Floridablanca on the run. Harry Salvador. On the left wing. Here's the shot. No conversion. Rebound control for Tulong-Tulong Tayo Guagua. Valyao steps on the brakes and see that's going to be a foul. And that will mean penalty situation for Floridablanca. Second personal foul. It's penalty situation. So Valyao will shoot 2 free throws. 51-39. This is a 12-point lead. Valyao missed the first. One more free throw for Valyao. Second is good. Mamaya po sa Araneta Coliseum, don't forget, Wish Music Awards. That will be around 7:30 p.m. right after Delta Cup. Yung mga nanonood sa Maynila through Facebook, pwede kayo pumunta doon to watch the Music Awards of Wish 1075. Reyes misses for ABE ABE King Floridablanca. And here's Tulong-Tulong Tayo Guagua on a potential fast break that was halted with a foul. And it's a third personal foul on number 31 of Floridablanca. 2 more free throws for Valyao. Suddenly, slowly chopping down the lead to just 10. Christian Lamsangan, John Ray Cristobal. Hello. And there's another foul given up. And down penalty situation. 2 more free throws for Tulong-Tulong Tayo Guagua. Well, John Ray is coming from Australia. And Maliano will shoot 2 free throws for Tulong-Tulong Tayo Guagua. Makes the first. Down to a 9-point game. 8 points. 4 straight free throws made. From a 12-point deficit now down to 8 because of the free throw conversions of Guagua. They are the number 1 free throw shooter in the league. And look at that sidestep drive by Alquero. 53-43. Here's Valyao. Malyari. Problem to shoot. Valyao, 3-point bomb. Defused. Save it to the wrong party. Alright, Floridablanca will challenge that call, probably. They're going to challenge that call. Okay, the referee corrects the call. It is Guagua. It's Tulong-Tulong Tayo Guagua. Manyalak with a cross. Hang time or rejected by Alquero. Leaving Tulong-Tulong Tayo Guagua 7 seconds on the shot clock to work with. Inbound. Here's Valino on the right wing. Or sorry, it's Valyao. Valyao drives, hang time move, it scores. Release back to 9 to 8 points. 53 to 45. The press is on. Serrano for 3. No. Rebound control by the green shirts of ABE ABE King Floridablanca. And a steal by Casey Gopez. Here's Manyalak. Tulong-tulong tayo Guagua on the break. Manyalak will almost score. He will take 2 shots nonetheless. So the little things of Casey Gopez showing now his vast experience as a skipper of Sam's Academy of Pampanga. Here's the sidestep. Manyalak will shoot 2 free throws. Well, Manyalak slightly lost its touch. Miss ball. Well, Manyalak, it can be slightly tired, but hey, Casey Gopez keeping it alive for tulong-tulong tayo Guagua. Nice sidestep move by Valyao. Missed the layup. 53-45. It's an 8-point lead. 2 minutes and 53 remaining in the third quarter. Closely fought encounter. So far, it's an 8-point lead for ABE ABE King Floridablanca. Picked by Alquero. Here's the drive. Casey Gopez top defense, and that defense worked. And tulong-tulong tayo Guagua had the possession back. Layog back in the ball game. And we're approaching the 2-minute mark of this third quarter. And here's Valyao, will bring it down. Ten to shoot for tulong-tulong tayo Guagua. Low post play. Malyari. Casey Gopez couldn't get it. Turnover. And here's ABE ABE King Floridablanca. 2 minutes remaining in this third. Nice crossover. The runner. It's no good. Rebound controlled by Calma. Tulong-tulong tayo Guagua. Manyalak. Valyao. Sidestep. Right-handed, too strong. Both teams on a 2-minute silence in scoring. Inside pass. Layog tight. Serrano bottle up. And a good steal by Valyao. It's going to be a foul. Let's see that in slow-mo. Free throw time for Valyao. First free throw is good for Valyao. The lead is 7. That's the only deficit that tulong-tulong tayo Guagua needs to overhaul. Down to 6. 47 to 53. ABE ABE King Floridablanca only ahead by that much with 1 minute and 90 seconds to go in the third quarter. And that's an instant foul given up by Valyao. That's only the 14th foul for tulong-tulong tayo Guagua. Here we go, baseline drive. The turnaround, air ball. Chris Battle, Layog, traveling. Seconds remaining in the third. Possession for tulong-tulong tayo Guagua. Important one. 10 to go on the shot clock. Here's the shot. It goes out. 60 seconds remaining. Fernando drives hard to the hole. And why not? ABE ABE King Floridablanca established once more an 8-point lead. 55-47. Valiao drives. Drawing the foul again, will take two. And he fouls out of the game. So another player for Floridablanca fouls out of the game. So Valiao will take two free throws. The lead is back to 8. Sorry, it's 7 for ABE ABE King Floridablanca against Tulong-Tulong Guagua. Miss, only the first miss, but he will get another chance. One more free throw for Valiao. .6 seconds in the third quarter. Spin move. High time by Lyle. Nothing. Hawk. It goes. That's Manansala. 57-49. Time down to 22 seconds remaining in 8-point lead for ABE ABE King Floridablanca. Casey Gopez. He has been silent. He only has a basket. To his credit, 8 to shoot. Here's Valiao. The drop. He gets it right back. Block. 5 seconds remaining, and here's another fast break finish. There's a foul on Casey Gopez. And Serrano was hurt on that. Let's see that again in slow-mo. It is a foul, very obvious. So Gregorio will be subbed because there's some blood on his face after that mid-air collision. Important free throws for ABE ABE King Floridablanca. The lead is back to 9. So Guagua, the Tulong-Tulong Guagua, cannot extract the lead to 5. The closest they got is 6. Sabi ni Clint Alguero, shout out Steven John Sadsad Asuncion. The lead is back to 10, 1.9 seconds, and that should do it. Guagua 49, or Tulong-Tulong Guagua 49, ABE ABE King Floridablanca 59. Let's show us the highlights of the third quarter before we take a very short break. We'll take a look at this and enjoy these highlights for this both squads' tenacity, heart, and will to win. As ABE ABE King Floridablanca ahead 59-49 against Tulong-Tulong Guagua. We'll be right back for the fourth quarter right after this. We are seconds away of starting the fourth quarter of this great ball game of Tulong Guagua versus ABE ABE King Florida-Blanca. And more shoutouts: Emmy Luzano, Clint Ferdy Alcantara, Betong Ortega. Thank you for watching. My name is Ryan Parr. I come to you live from the GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is game 5 of 6. For those people who just watched this game, let's review our games that preceded. First game, San Fernando beats Candaba 100-72. Second game, Apalit beating San Simon 75-54. Third game, Angeles beating Porac 108-80. Fourth game, Mexico subduing Santa Rita 80-76. And for here, let's see if ABE ABE King Florida-Blanca can maintain this 10-point lead against Tulong Guagua. All important possession from here. There's a switch. 10 to shoot. Live offers a pick. Here's a 3-ball. Back irons it. Malyari clears the board. Valyao brings it up for the white shirts of Tulong Guagua, but its pocket was picked. And here's a fast break finish for Serrano. Just like that, the lead is back to a dozen. A minute gone by in this fourth and final quarter. 10 to shoot. Manyalak. Touch passing. Valyao. 3-ball. Bingo! Just like that, the lead is down to 9. Possibility for Tulong Guagua to come back. Pick by Layog. Here's the penetration. Hang time move, didn't drop. Rebound controlled by Jimenez. Here's Manyalak. Manyalak with a draw. There's a foul. So it's going to be free throws. It's going to be the second personal foul. 15 to shoot. Valyao 3 once more. That time he fails. Ball is loose. Pick up by Manyalak for Tulong Guagua. The spin move and the conversion. And just like that, the lead is 7. Both teams at one team foul apiece. Serrano wasted no time. Got a pin down court. Lays it up. Won't work. Rebound control by Manyalak. And here's Malyari. Sprinting down court. Left-handed layup. He draws a foul. Taiwan Dam says, shout out to Evangelist John Evangelist Justin. First free throw, Malyari. Misses that one. The lead is 7. Time remaining is 8 minutes and 1 second to go. That's going to be a lane violation. One more free throw will be awarded for Malyari of Tulong Guagua. The shot is no good, but they get the ball back. Fresh shot clock for the white shirts of Tulong Guagua. Here's Manyalak with a spin move. It went out. It went out. Sidestep by Orida. It goes. 63-54. Time down to 7 minutes and 39 remaining in this ball game. Here's Valyao. 5 seconds on the shot clock. 3-ball, banks it out. Rebound. It's going to be a loose ball foul. But it will be against ABE ABE King Florida-Blanca. Coming up next is going to be the Tomasian Ballers of Santo Tomas versus the All-Stars of Minalin. Take a look at this replay on that loose ball foul. Yes, it is a foul against Manansala. That's over the backboard. And shot out for John Nigel Magaspak. Or Makaspak. Sorry, it's Makaspak. 9-point lead for ABE ABE King Floridablanca. And it's going to be out of bounds. A turnover there by Gregorio. And so far, Gregorio, after scoring 30 to the first half, he scored only 2, a total of 15. Salvador has the same number of 15. They have a 5-point lead, and here's Miranda. Trying to shoot. Miranda drives, short. And here comes ABE ABE King Floridablanca. We have Salvador. Harry misses the layup. It's going to be a foul on Harry. And Manjala still down on the floor. So Harry Salvador is on the brink of disqualification. Let's review this last bit of action. Let's review on that last foul. Okay, slow it down. Ooh. Tinamaan. Isa pa, direct. Isa pa. Yan. On this angle. Let's see this. Okay. So it is a good call. It is a foul. Ryan David, thank you so much for watching. It's a long game 5. We still have one more game to play. With 6 minutes and 35 remaining in this ball game. Here's Valyao. Valyao drives, sidestep, Valyao, thwarted, aborted, but it's going to be a foul. It's going to be a foul. And you see a lot of players from Tulong-Tulong Guagua down on the floor because of exhaustion. At that time hit to the face. Let's see that again in replay. Here's the quick drive. And it is, yes, it hit in the face. And it's going to be a foul. Free throw is no good for third foul, number 11 of ABE ABE King Floridablanca. Missed shot by Valyao. Second free throw is good. The lead is 8 points. .625 in the fourth. Here's the drive. They went out. Rebound. Besoro. Casey Gopez. Valyao of Tulong-Tulong Guagua. Valyao for 3. Short. And the green shirts kept at the line. 8-point cluster for ABE ABE King Floridablanca. With under 6 minutes remaining in this ball game. 3-point bomb. It goes out. And Valyao grabs the rebound. Valyao quickly for Tulong-Tulong Guagua. And what a performance by Valyao. And Gregorio having some cramps. We have a timeout. Back to live action here at GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. This is a marking matchup featuring Tulong Tayo Guagua and ABE ABE King Floridablanca. You know, that particular name, ABE ABE King, reminds me of the former PBA player who is residing now in the USA, ABE King, the chairman of the board. The lead is down to 6. Can ABE ABE King Floridablanca hold on to this comeback of Tulong Tayo Guagua? We are in the fourth period. Hard to select the best player for both teams. It's really hard. For Guagua, we have GUIAO with a valiant effort. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Here's the 3-point shot. It rims out. Rebound. Casey Gopez. Once again, GUIAO engineering the offense for Tulong Tayo Guagua. He wants to go all the way. Jose, he goes! How many points GUIAO? I think he has 10. But majority of his points in this quarter when they need it most. And just like that, the lead is chopped down to 4. 59-63 under 5 minutes remaining. Halfway point of the final quarter. 63-59. 4-point lead for ABE ABE King Floridablanca. Alquera with a pick. The lob. Alquera momentarily up and he's gone. Oh, he blew it. He blew it. Put back inside. Fouled by Casey Gopez. It's the 4th personal foul on Casey Gopez, who's having an off night offensively, but defensively he has been very effective. Most of his fouls coming from the pick and rolls, and he is guarding 3 or 4 inches taller than him. Just like this man who splits the free throw. The lead is just 5, 64-59. There's a possibility of Tulong Tayo Guagua to come back, and here's GUIAO providing the valiant effort in the second half. Jimenez can't shake off his defender. Shot clock at 10. GUIAO on the right wing. He throws it up. Air ball. Reverse. Yes. Yes. 3-point game. Reverse by Calma. And ABE ABE King Floridablanca lead by 3 on the outside. 12 to shoot. Under 4 minutes remaining in this game. Here's the drive, the spin. Batted away by Calma. A chance for Tulong Tayo Guagua to come back from this 3-point deficit. And so far, GUIAO has been the primary efficient player. Jimenez, the spin, the turn. Casey Gopez 3. Yes, sir! A warning by Calma for delay of the game. First deadlock after a long while. That's the only second deadlock of the game. 64 all. What a comeback by Tulong Tayo Guagua. Keep in mind, Floridablanca's in penalty situation. Only 2 team fouls for Tulong Tayo Floridablanca. They want to clear out. Here it comes. 10 on the shot clock. Here's the drive. On the outside. 3-point shot on its way. No. ABE ABE King Floridablanca missing shots. Even this one. And now it's a chance to grab the lead. Here's GUIAO for Tulong Tayo Guagua. Cross for the right-handed layup. No good. Bottom for the rebound. Here comes this shot. Ball is loose. Now it's scramble. It's going to be a jump. Session now appointed to ABE ABE King Floridablanca. Look at the players here. Everybody in this brother diving for the letter. Tie game at 64. 2 minutes and 56 remaining. Just like last time, the penultimate game is close. Same thing here. Dead even at 64. Serrano Moves out. She will challenge Manyalak. Here's the drive by Serrano. The kick out. The shot will work. 2-point game. 66-64. 2 minutes and 35. Casey Gopez trap. And ball goes out of bounds. It will stay with Tulong Tayo Guagua. It's going to be a timeout by Tulong Tayo Guagua to map out this offensive play. 2 minutes and 33. And while we're having this timeout, enjoy this last bit of action in slow-mo. Here are some fans, the beautiful ladies of Kapampangas, enjoying the scenery here at the BREN Convention Center. Sabi nga ng kasabihan English, beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. 2:33 remaining. Ball possession for Tulong Tayo Guagua. And the mayor of Guagua is watching all the way from Japan. He's now jumping up and down because his team, after a 15-point deficit, now on the verge of tying. And here I have some, napaka-cute naman ng dog na yan. Nice one, ate. 66-64. 14 on the shot clock. Here's Valyao of Tulong Tayo Guagua. Open is Casey Gopez from the baseline. Hit the 3-yeller. There's a double team. And the shot clock now at 6 seconds for Guagua to map out the play. Six on the shot clock. Down to 5, down to 4. Here's Valyao. Valyao for 3. Yes! One-point game for Guagua. And I want to stand because this game is going to be the climax of this heated drama. Action-packed basketball. 3-point shot on its way now. Malansara, we're down to the last 2 minutes. Floridablanca now. The spin move by Hardy Gregorio, almost lost. The layup is no good, but for the rebound. And Casey Gopez clears the board for Guagua. What a comeback by Tulong Tayo Guagua. Casey Gopez protected his dribble, almost lost. And here's Manyalak with a slice behind the back pass inside. Kalma puts it up, no. Manyalak gets it right back. Manyalak with a hook shot, he throws it up too much. Ball will go back. Ball will go back to Floridablanca. 1-point game. One-point game. One-point game. A minute and a half remaining. Here we go. Serrano. Serrano has the letter. Here's the pick by Layog. Serrano with a one-handed shot, too strong. Layog couldn't get the defensive rebound. Here's the shot inside the paint. It goes. Malansara has it. 68-67. About 19 remaining. Valyao beat it up for Tulong Tayo Guagua. Casey Gopez can shoot a 3. And here's Kalma. Calmly brings it up the ladder with 12 on the shot clock. Valyao has it from top of the circle. 8 seconds to shoot for Tulong Tayo Guagua. Valyao will attack the lane. There's a tap. There is a tap. 4.7 on the shot clock. 4.7 seconds on the shot clock for Tulong Tayo Guagua. They can grab the lead just like that. Here's Valyao. 3 seconds remaining on the shot clock. They need to put it up. And a shot clock violation. A shot clock violation. And we're going to have a timeout on the floor every 52 seconds. We're going to hang on to the air because we want you to know that this is a presentation of Delta Cup and Sinag Liga Asia, of course. We have still one more game to play. That will be Santo Tomas versus Minalin. And of course, with 52 seconds, Florida-Blanca now in penalty situation. And Tulong-Tulong Guagua is in 2-team fouls. Let's review the last bit of action. So, direct, let's review it. From the last shot clock violation.
Yung last 2
Nung umilaw ang shot clock violation, titignan natin kung ilang oras pang natitira sa ating game clock. Please, direct, can we replay that? Let's see the clock, ha? It's 4.7. 3, 2, 1. The zero clock should be what? 55.3. 55.3 seconds. 55.3 seconds. All right. Thank you, Derek. So, we're gonna have 50. We're gonna reset the clock at 55.3 seconds. So, ABE ABE King, Florida-Blanca, 68. Tulong-Tulong Guagua, 67. Buckle up your seatbelts, Kabalen. Papunta na tayo sa gabi. Maya pabengi puke kayo, Kabalen. Hold on, es Manyare. Eto na. So, Lopez will inbound right in front of us. And here goes the play. 10 on the shot clock. Harry Salvador momentarily open. 9 on the shot clock. Goes left. Drives out against 3 defenders. The drop out to Layog. He will not score. Rebound controlled by Calma. Just a 1-point game with 46 to go. Manyala. Here's Valyao for the backcourt. Valyao brings up the ladder for Tulong-Tulong Guagua. Here's the shot by Casey Gomez. Yes, sir! Casey Gomez is money. A pride of Sam's Academy of Pampanga, now exploding when they need it most. 22 seconds to go. Harry Salvador was fouled. And Valyao will take 2. And that is just a 13 foul for Guagua. This is just a cycle throw-in. It is not on the act of shooting. Valino is the guy dishing out this great assist to Casey Gomez. 22.2 seconds to go. And a steal by Manyala. Manyala has it. 18 seconds remaining. He needs to grip down the basketball. It's going to be a foul. It's going to be free throws. Great steal. Oh, wow. Tulong-Tulong Guagua can win it with this free throw. It's a 5 fouls now on Layog. We have a timeout. We're going to hang on to the air because I'm going to hand it over to our floor director, the possible best players for Guagua. I will pick Valino. And for Florida-Blanca, I will pick this guy, Harry Salvador, has been splendid all game long. .1 seconds. Remember, Valino only scored 4 points in the first half. Now he has scored 14 points. Dish out 5 assists, 3 steals. This guy is nerves of steel. For Salvador, he had a 13-point performance. Now he has 21 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists. These guards have a big heart on this game. We're talking about Valino of Tulong-Tulong Guagua and Harry Salvador of ABE ABE King, Florida-Blanca. Now the question is, can Manyalak score this pressure-laden free throws with 17 seconds? Remember, Florida-Blanca has one more time at the call. Here it comes. He willed under pressure. He willed under pressure. But at least for now, Tulong-Tulong Guagua has a 1-point lead. 69 to 68, 17 seconds. There will be a forthcoming timeout for Florida-Blanca should Manyala makes the second. He did it. Rebound. It's Harry Salvador. 30 seconds to go. Harry Salvador on the outside. There was a basketball on the outside. Nice up fake. That shot. That will not work. Not for the rebound. Guagua has it. Guagua has it. Great rebound by Kalma. And Florida Blanca, ABE ABE King, Florida Blanca has chances. And so far, tulong-tulong tayo Guagua. Breathing the next. Guys, yung mga kapampangan natin may problema sa puso, wag muna kayo manood ng ganito, ha? Baka kami sisihin nyo dito sa Delta Cup. But hey, maraming salamat po, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Thank you, sir, for allowing us, our production team, to cover this one of the greatest games here in Delta Cup. We have that on November 5. We have that yesterday, and we have it right here. At nagka-overtime pa tayo nung last game, ha? Let's review the last bit of action in slow-mo, please. Tingnan natin kung ilang pang oras ang titila after the foul, ha? Tingnan natin to. 9 seconds. Okay, slow it down, direct. Slow it down. Nag-signal, 6.3. Oh, gumanong ka na, 6.3. Ah, sige. Ulit, ha? Ulitin natin, direct. Isa pa. Gusto pang makita yung player.
6.
Okay, sige. Slow down tayo dyan, direct.
17 yan, eh.
So, si 17 is the rebound.
Ayan, oh.
Ito.
Tinawagan ko.
Ito, Salvador.
Ayan, oh.
Sige, 17 Salvador. Ang time remaining is 6.3 seconds. 6.3 seconds. Here's my conversation with the referee. We both have been reviewing the last bit of action. Kitang-kita niya sa slow-mo. So, Harry Salvador, the skipper of ABE ABE King Florida Blanca, has just fouled out of the game. Time remaining is 6.3. The game is not over. This is just a one-point game. Anything can happen. Remember, if Kalma sinks the second, Florida Blanca will use its last timeout. Free throw is good. Tulong-tulong tayo Guagua, 70. ABE ABE King Florida Blanca 68. The time remaining is 6.3 in this ball game. Kalma can win it with a 3-point lead. If he miss, it will be all, and Kalma sinks. Kalmado si Kalma. This will be the last timeout of Florida Blanca. Now, here's the situation. Guagua can use one foul. They have 3 team fouls. They have 1 foul to give. Keep in mind, 1 foul to give for Guagua. No more timeouts for Florida Blanca. They are in penalty. And with 6.3 remaining, the only option left for Florida Blanca is to have a 3-point shot. And without Harry Salvador, who just fouled out of the game, there's a lot of shooters promptly for the green shirts. And they might use all guys to shoot a 3 to at least tie this game as quickly as possible. And of course, if in case that shot counts at the buzzer, you know what will happen. But otherwise, then we have one of the scintillating comebacks in Delta Cup history. Guagua down by 17 or down by 10 in the third, comes back with a pulsating win. Let's see. Let's have this 6.3 seconds on the clock, please. And let's have Florida Blanca get the possession. Remember, do not distract the possession or else it will be a technical foul. Here we go. Gregorio will inbound right in front of us. Here it comes. Important possession for the green shirts. Here's Serrano. 5 seconds. Serrano is wide open on 3-point shot. Back Allison. Battle for the rebound. The game is over. Final score, 68 points Florida Blanca, and tulong-tulong tayo Guagua with an upset of colossal proportions, 71-68. And the valiant effort of Marino will be the one who have the best play honors. We shall return for the interview.
Sound check, sound check.
Sound check, sound check. Paul Saining wins 71-68. Nanalo ang Guagua. Tulong-tulong tayo Guagua laban sa ABE ABE King Floridablanca. Tristan Valyao, I can call him now Mr. Valiant, with a valiant effort in the second half. He only scored 4 but he has 14 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists. Yung mga crucial plays mo. Saan mo nakuha yung lakas na loob from 10 points down to the third, nakabalik kayo at nanalo?
Yung mga yung mga teammates ko, lagi nila akong pinupush. Lalo na yung kasama ko, si partner ko, si Bugarin, kasi nag-graduate siya. So sinasabihan niya ako, chine-cheer niya ako, mga kampi ko, yung mga coaches. Tapos iniisip ko lang si mga pamilya ko, na mama ko, si papa ko, tapos si God din.
Gaano kabigat yung player from Suns Academy na si Casey Gomez on that winning jump shot?
Si Casey talaga, ano siya lagi niya sinasabi, walang nagtitiwala sa kanya, pero ako nagtitiwala talaga ako sa kanya kasi nakita ko naman lagi siyang tinatrabaho niya yung ano niya, gusto niya mag-improve, kaya ganun ko binigay sa kanya, binigay ko tiwala ko sa kanya.
So, Tristan, dahil ikaw ang best player, eto na! Nandito ang camera. Gusto mong bumatin magpasalamat. Tristan, go!
Pinapasalamatan ko nga pala yung mga sumusuporta ng Guagua, yung mga staff ng Guagua, tapos yung mga coaches, yung mama ko, yung papa ko, mga kapatid ko, si Kuya Seb na nagtake ng board exam, ayusin mo, yung pamangkin ko, si Kuya Sean, si papa ko, si mama ko, tapos si George, tsaka yung mga taga-Siran. Yan. Tsaka yung shoutout din po pala sa IVN Auto Exchange, yung mga gusto nyo na sasakyan na affordable, check lang yung FB page nila. PM nyo lang sila, guys.
Tristan Valyao, Mr. Valiant, the best player of the ballgame. Congratulations. Good luck, ha? Coming up next, our final game for tonight, Minalin versus Santo Tomas. This game does get any better. We have more Delta Cup right after this.